Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look using the Amrezy palette. So I did go ahead and tell you guys in my last video that I was going to go ahead and use this palette again, and lo and behold, I did. So if you would like to see how I created this very pink, very Barbie girl kind of look, just keep watching. All right guys, so Amrezy palette, I'm going to try to use all colors from here. So I opened my palette this morning before I started filming, and I was like, wait, why looks like somebody like tried to go in it? But anyway, that's where we are. So I'm gonna take New Yorker, that's that brownie color right here, and just put it on my lid just to, you know, mute out any color, even though I feel like the color is kind of balanced out, but still, let's do it anyway. As soon as I find a brush to do it with. I just say my lid and crease area. I feel like I do all, but anyway. So for my transition color, I'm going to use, I hope this doesn't say this right, Simsa. This is a very, very dark, I guess that's mauve color. So I'm going to use that. Pray for me, guys, because, you know. Wait, I said I was going to use, I planned this out in my head already. Oh, yeah, I was going to use that for my crease and my outer V. We're going to see how this works. I don't know. We got to see. I'm going to do it very lightly. Let me get this Amrezy mirror. Knocking it off because I'm scared. All right. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Might even add a little bit more right here. This is just giving my eyes some definition. All right, now I'm going to take like a pencil, like, I don't want to say this is a pencil brush, but I'm going to take a more denser brush, and I'm going to take the same Simsa, I hope I'm saying that name right, and do it on my outer V, but, you know, I want it to be dark. I'm going to take Amrezy, that's that very hot pink, and I'm going to put it on my lid, and I'm going to put Barb on my inner corner. Okay, I'm going to use this short shader. I'm sorry for the ferrules, but I'm going to use this short shader to, oh, it's 8 o'clock, to apply this the Reezy, just because it's bright. So small strokes. Look at that. That's so pretty. Just going back in with the Seamster color just to find my crease a little bit better. So I see right here it needs a little bit more. I like that. Okay. This eyeliner brush and then do my outer V. No, I'm not. I'm going to do my inner corner. Get it right, Patricia. I'm using that Barb color. Taking the same brush that I used for my outer V, I'm going to smudge a little bit of the Seamster right here. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm glad you made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like this look. I like it. I don't know what's going on with this eye, so please excuse it. But I'm enjoying this look. I think it's very pinky, I guess, girly. Yeah. So until my next video, shout out to my babies, Charlotte, Mary, Martha, my little prince. I love you. I love you all. Thank you so much for continually watching and supporting my videos. Until my next one. Bye, guys. Cannot say bye without the remote.